Hi, we know that the safety of your employees and patrons is certainly important to you, and today we're going to talk about cleaning the playaway. One thing we do not recommend are Lysol wipes or Clorox wipes because they will leave a film on the product after cleaning. We do recommend a concoction of just liquid mild soap with water, an alcohol-based wipe, and you can find all of this information on our website of what materials to use. We do recommend using a microfiber cloth, and you're going to just spray on the cloth and not the product. And then once you have it, you're going to just wipe down the playaway with the cloth, and then also you want to make sure that you thoroughly dry it. We also recommend that you can wipe down the case the same way, and the inside of the case as well. After that, you're going to pop the playaway back in to the unit, and happy listening.